My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is officially called as BeijingCrypt. BeijingCrypt is a ransomware type application that operates by encrypting data and demanding payment for the decryption. In other words, the files affected by BeijingCrypt are rendered inaccessible, and victims are told to pay in order to restore access to their data. So currently I have some pictures available on my desktop. I can easily open them. I also have some music files on my screen. But after the ransomware is launched, it immediately encrypts this data. It even relocates the data on the desktop to special place. In my case, it's the left part of the screen. And you can clearly see that a special extension called file is added. So for instance, you have some image file. After the JPG extension, you have additional extension called file that is added by the ransomware. Then the ransomware tells you that you need to pay the ransom in order to get your data restored. But the reality is that paying the ransom does not guarantee that you will get your files back. So do not pay the ransom. This is risky and you may lose your money for nothing. I would recommend that you scan your computer with the program called Combo Cleaner that will help you to neutralize this BeijingCrypt ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com. If you cannot use your Google Chrome browser, you may go to your disk C, go to the Internet Explorer folder and start Internet Explorer browser, and you may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start examining your computer with this program. The Combo Cleaner will help you to detect the source of the threat of the ransomware infection on your computer and to protect your computer from further ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install the software, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that it can detect and delete the threats on your computer. Initially, the application, of course, is in the trial mode. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will perform the direct analysis of your Windows computer. There will be certain types of threats, for instance, those that are related to your browser behavior. In case there are some websites that display intrusive push notifications, they will be marked as suspicious items detected. In case there are some of the more serious threats like malware, like ransomware, or other infections, they will be marked as threats. So this is the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner. As you see, the majority of these threats are related to some suspicious browser behavior. For instance, these pop-up windows that may be the part of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browser may be very stubborn and annoying to attack your screen. Combo Cleaner with the premium version will help to fix these issues. Plus, there may be some more serious threats like adware, malware, or ransomware, or some browser hijacking applications on your computer. Similarly, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of them with the premium version of the software. And the premium version of the program will keep your system fully protected against such threats in the future.